10 years. President of Development Partners, distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It's my pleasure to be part of this workshop on sustainable charcoal production and to welcome all charcoal production and improving the livelihoods of communities who depend on charcoal production for income generation. Over 80% of sub-Saharan population depends on firewoods as their main energy source. Mainly firewood and charcoal. In Sierra Leone, despite the absence of reliable studies, this dependency is expected to continue and even increase the next decades if practical actions are not taken. Sierra Leone is estimated to have a total forest cover of approximately 3 million hectares. In percentage, we will talk about 41% of the land area, and deforestation rate in excess of 3%. So to see how dangerous it is if we don't embark on sustainable charcoal production, in that we don't have much alternative energy source, and in other areas our dependence on that particular one is too high for various reasons. Sierra Leone is estimated, of course, to have that percentage, and there is a need for such platform. About 90% of Sierra Leone was formerly covered by forest, but less than 5%. Less than 5%. The less than 5% we are talking about, we cannot ascertain for now, because in many years we've known that in any national forest inventory. So we've just been quoting this for some decades back. 5% left, less than 5% left, until National Forest Inventory is being conducted for us to ascertain the exact amount of forest cover that we are having for now, the primary forest cover. The direct cause of deforestation is agriculture, including unsustainable shifting cultivation practices, resulting from growing population and shortening fallowings, along with large-scale agricultural investments that are increasingly taking up large tract of arable lands and forest areas. Mining and unregulated use of wood for construction, bushfires and firewood. For instance, charcoal production is also contributing significantly to deforestation. We are all aware. People go to the extent to even cut down fruit trees in their communities to produce charcoal at the detriment of our environment. I mean, it is important to note that the use of firewood should be favored over the use of charcoal wherever possible. Charcoal has higher energy content than firewood, which is why one might come to the conclusion that it is the preferable cooking fuel. But carbonization, this is the process of converting the wood to charcoal. Or firewood requires a lot of energy to produce 1 kilogram of charcoal. It is specifically the content of firewood which is required. But wood fire consists of firewood and charcoal. According to reports, firewood plays an important role in supporting rural communities as well as various industries and businesses. For example, more than 80% of rural households rely on firewood or charcoal for daily cooking. In addition, a large volume of firewood is converted into charcoal to be used for cooking as households and even restaurants, businesses. The growing demand for firewood has added mounting pressure on existing forests that we can attest to. Most of the firewood is sourced from unsustainable origins. The total annual consumption of firewood now amounts to thousands, if not millions of tons, which is equivalent to an annual loss of over thousands of hectares of deciduous forest. To ensure the sustainability of forests as well as long-term well-being of rural communities depending on forests, I hope this workshop we recommend several measures to promote a sustainable model of production and consumption of firewood. I would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank the staff and management of Culture Radio, our government partners and other partners for their participation and committed efforts in making today's event a success. I also hope that this event will provide an opportunity for every participant to share insights and to do justice to Mama Salome by providing honest discussions throughout the period of this workshop. I would like to reaffirm our strong commitment to continue supporting the staff and management of Culture Radio and other organizers, other organizations in implementing sustainable charcoal production strategies to sustain the nation's vital forest resources for today and the future. I wish you a successful celebration. Thank you. Almost time for tea break. We will go for a short statement from other people there. But I hope and pray that we will do a quick because of the time, excellence of time. We will take tea break so that we can continue with the workshop.
It's all our concern. If flooding takes place, it affects the rich man just as the poor man. If landslide, all the things that they will not see them, and will experience them. I think say this is the time for them to understand the importance for them to protect with environment, with nature. This is a thing the way, if you like, you can say God endow we with. He give with it, we will not pay for them, but if they go, now we are out of, if they go like say, I don't even know how to describe the pace, the speed way they run away from we. Like our chairman just mentioned, he said we get less than 5% of forest reserve, if I'm correct, sir, Mr. Chairman. Less than 5%. That means say, he just had a papers in the get 1 million euros. You say, I get plenty money, let me pocket. You understand? Then all of a sudden you can't realize again, how much are left? 100,000. Now it costs for alarm. Now real cost for alarm. It's just like say, this one place, say 100% of this place. You understand? All this place clear. Then I waiting left now, I just like this thing. And this we just get for continue for cook every day. We just get for continue for use energy, like how they use them. But we get for think now how to use them wisely. Waiting at the alternative, they're waiting at the other option that were available. So believe say, we don't invite people who can tell we say, other ways and means they really, for that we live with the forest and generate income. You know say, if you don't want to sell charcoal, one make charcoal, burn charcoal, okay, probably now you're right. But I believe say, it's wrong for the people that damage the forest, environment where me and you depend on. Even though the survival of one individual or a family. But this, the damage, the impact on the whole nation, the whole country. So we therefore think really wisely. So wise people who get sense until we say, from them things here what we call agricultural waste. Whether na banga shell, na coconut shell, na elephant grass, na sawdust, all them things they then shrub, they after chap they you able to process that one day, you get the best charcoal. Where durable in the burn longer past what they use so. When they see plenty of people and now when they want to light fire, now that plastic then they take before the fire begin catch plastic bag or you know. And we don't know the damage where that plastic they cause to them people in the almost like almost they see them things on a daily basis. It don't mean nothing to we again. They see us to take plastic, a lighter. But the plastic, it gets some chemical reaction into you where they damage you. And we don't hear about the cancer, the increase of the cancer rate, you understand, cases in Salone. And we all don't know what they cause and things again. But it wise enough, let we think about alternative means. The one that when they sell charcoal, if people they left for cut thick in the forest, it don't mean say they're not going to continue their business. They will able to continue their business. So during this workshop, they will explain to us the need, the necessity, and how to go about them things a day. Later we'll go into a working group. But if I don't understand, say, the country in problem, now we're all concerned. And we all concerned, whether you be Limba, Mengetimi, or whatever, it's our concern. And the environmental damage right now a cause for concern globally, all over the world. And Salone, the thing where some of we don't know, they say Salone, now the third most disaster-prone country. The third most disaster-prone country. Not because you get every weather catastrophe would get, none of us would get the heaviest or the biggest, but because where even the smallest one hit we're not able to react to them properly, robustly, for let them know say, you know, go kill we, attack them in, at least make we, your own situation become very, very vulnerable. So always we can talk about this word with the real English word vulnerability. Hey, we're vulnerable, not a nice condition for them we take. We condition, we country not for them a vulnerable situation anymore. So that may you, from the things that they do, how they think, and with involvement, that they really impact properly, because we all they contribute to either make Salone team up or less Salone for them. And as we say, especially in this area of energy consumption, charcoal for cook, we they contribute immensely. We always see also, we family them, because all man need charcoal, the wood. Past the one the way gentry, we get their own other system, whether gas cooker or electric stove. So there, we tell them again, tell people Kaya, they want to pay attention. They will take this issue of environmental threat. They will take it serious. But it don't mean say when something they threaten you, you're not able to attack or mitigate or reduce this, the risk. When something they threaten you or a challenge, and the more you for wake up and not say you for do something, otherwise the thing will sweep you, eliminate you, then we will no more be there. With forest, we will see so very, very precious. Very precious. It is anyway, the people who invite and get great ideas in different areas where people will even generate money, not only for one area, living with the forest. So I tell you all, thank you. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause for the CEO. Thank you very much, Mr. CEO. We all know that now. Indeed, they mentioned so many things there. To the extent that they cut down fruit trees there for produce charcoal and the communities there. To talk about exports. So the best encouragement we can always give them, we tell them, if you want to export charcoal, we don't refuse you, but the first thing we encourage you, go find land. Go acquire land. Acquire land, you establish your own plantation. If you don't get the skill and knowledge, meet the first division of the Division of Agriculture and Forestry. We did it as expert there. We will help people get fast growing trees there. When you plant within the shortest period of time, you able to do your exports. At least. Most people they know Saloma want that quick money so today. And they see business in forestry sector as long-term investments. So they want that quick. You know, Saloma wants as he showed today, plant today, tomorrow morning for harvest. Now the problem that we get today, but we'll go for try for service will deviate from that particular thing. And on that, I want to extend an invitation also to the Phoenix representative for coming short statement, representative for Phoenix.
Answer to this very important call. I would say Although this call get to do with your personal livelihood, but I also want to say that a national call. Now a national call and a global call as well. A national call because we already waiting with chairman in a opening statement waiting the kind figures the way he give and the analysis we make about the kind way we don't need loss with forest, not just Freetown or Western area, but the country generally. We also agree the analysis where we CEO of a culture review don't make about the kind way where we don't suffer, not just Sierra Leone, but the whole world. Where they suffer as a result of we self-own activities, we own actions. The kind of way we treat the environment, the way we treat nature. Conservation Society of Sierra Leone, now one of the oldest environmental NGO in this country. And it's a membership-based organization. So I should say plenty of a member of that organization there. We now one of the agriculture in this country, we they help the government of Sierra Leone through support from UNA, the membership, and we do not partners them. And of course, the government of Sierra Leone, for them we fight against environmental degradation. Let me act for conserve the environment. Coming to the issue of charcoal burning, we all can give justification for waiting with the going at the forests across the country for cut down. We tease them, not leaving out the fruit trees. We're very important to we, you know. When they cut them down, and all in the name of livelihood, I am happy as a member of the society and a national of this country that we now get an alternative way for produce charcoal, and charcoal will look more sustainable than the one way I will refer to as the traditional charcoal. So we now continue them, you know. We know how we grow up now with various community them. Now wood, we don't then one way into, you know, and now wood we don't use so take us like when every we can't eat on, we can't see light. We begin with charcoal. We think say what that means so they, you know. So I want to encourage we all on behalf of the Conservation Society of Sierra Leone and the membership of that society there, for them as we all sit down there. Let me do justice to this call, this national call, this global call, such that we will understand all the issues then where they will explain to we, and the issues then there, it is our hope that we will practicalize them for the benefit of all. Thank you so much, and I wish you now a very fruitful deliberations. Thank you.
Another one for our please. Another round of applause. We man, now due to real action, we suffer. So on that, we be able to encourage and they make we suffer. I remember when we small primary school days, we get to, we get rid of them talk about Sinka and Kogi. I used to see some people that get memory of them, they already use those Sinka and Kogi. And say Kogi is so full in one of the areas. A clay party, and a cut branch, the branch was silver and the cut. Imagine that. You silver party, you cut the branch with silver, with US part, then you cut. Imagine what's going to be the end of that particular story. You take pepper, you put an himself you high. You know the environment they react to it. The environment they react to it. Like when it's a Newton's law of motion. It's any action, it's the opposite and equal reaction. if you go box wall, you don't react to it back in the opposite form. You feel that. If we destroy the environment, then at the end of the day we will suffer the consequences. That one clear. We get the trees there, there's a symbiotic relationship that we get. Water, land, and trees. Now, win-win with them, we are see now, win-win. Some of we get big trees in our areas, then you find us we place horse. Instead of get fresh air under the tree. Because we see the tree they breathe out, now we want oxygen and the trees and the get out. In return, the trees themselves survive power. There's a pretty we said they also get out, then there's a one for survival. It's CO2. So if I say now we but I can always tell people in the workshop in programs like that. We need the trees more than the trees that are needing. Trees that they excel if no waterman on it, you know the trees that do it, then they do it. But waterman, if trees on it, imagine how the environment will be. We talk about one slide, we talk about it. I mean, it's hot. So you go into the for pain or less. So now let we get respect to the environment. Let we activities and be sustainable activities there in the environment, so that we will have a long life, we will have a body. To the consultant of this program, of this workshop, according to the program, we are the Assistant Director for Community Forestry for the presentation.
For talk, we will bring her down very, very simple. All the big English we did it, we will break her down. So at the end of the day, now we'll go back to our community then when I said we learn, we will focus on production, how people will participate, and how we will educate you now on the method of sustainable harvesting and field management of wood product, especially resources will be used for sustainable forest management and also sustainable charcoal production. We will look at the marketing aspect of charcoal, and we will look at the forest policy where they address all of these, the law side. We will look at that. Then we will look at also other allied natural resources. Then we will also look at leadership and how you will make improved decisions. We will talk about how you burn with low carbon and low and the tar. When you remove them, then of course you can get charcoal. So we could think some 20 years back, at the start of the Civil War, where the influx of Liberian refugees, the beginning of this call was firewood. Outlet of firewood, hence Salomon Bishabi. But the Liberians then, it's very affordable for cook with than a used stove. Of course, energy will not get in this country in terms of light. So now a perfect alternative for solve the problem, since a percentage population in terms of wealth and they below the poverty line. So now these people they use for supplement their energy needs. Because what you do, they're very easy for transport, they're very easy for use. Especially if it without traditional stove, they go people and make. When I'm going for that, because it's not interactive, as I say, I will not see inside and make chocolate. Anybody there around We don't see it. Yeah? You don't see it? Okay. Go on. Huh? But it's simple, straightforward. Yeah. So, as I say, charcoal energy source that we will use because it's very cheap, easy for use, and very easy for produce, and the fit to cook stove that we'll get. Going further, plenty development agencies around we get corporations in Sierra Leone, like UNDP, will run an energy program through with funding from a global environment facility, and besides say because of the increase in production of charcoal, we're not sustainable and can mean say for help government at least log do in a sustainable manner. We get to do what we call community woodlot. These woodlots will talk and nitrogen fixing trees like the Acacia rhodariformis, Acacia manjum, and children we free to they call them artistic. A common name down there for the Acacia species, they call them artistic. I guess everybody's a bit artistic, not so?
Yes, sir.
So, UNDP come with this program as a technical cooperation program between the government and forest. So, they begin pilot this program in 2 districts of the country where get serious intensity, Gambia and Putloko district. And I will recall that place that day before then, I mean wooded savannah. When we say wooded savannah, you see grassland dotted with few trees. But because of population increase and livelihood, we'll talk about livelihood, we talk about poverty, household income for people. Today, the farming population don't reduce. People they turn to charcoal. We go born for 3-4 days, they get money. So, because of country, so what did they do? They go to their communities there, train their communities there, bring in seeds, train people how for establish nursery, how for tender for trees from lower age to maturity, and how they will rotate the harvest. Because then get the charcoal, if when I establish nursery, then when I grow another one. And they go fast? When I understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Go ahead.
So UNDP number 1, we can do that. Then going further, FAO, a UN-related agency within Australia, then come forest management. It take into account the ecology, the economy, the cultural aspect of the forest. Bring that together, we call sustainable forest management. We alone know where we go. Many years ago, people there become participants. Like on a council, and just they look something they plant. I don't know what they planting. So people they always be around the world, they look and say, no, this approach not to fail. And the reason this way make the forest go. So then decide say, we'll bring a new approach what we call community-based forest management. For trained communities then, or let them become managers instead of participants. So this is an opportunity for us today, for all our country, or become managers rather than participants. Just stay from afar, you watch. You don't get no technical skill, you don't get leadership for take part in any forest development program. So that also began community-based forest management. We do about 200 hectares in Moyamba and Bo district. You understand? And going forward for upscaling, European Union through boosting agriculture and food security program also come in and say, yes, this is a very good idea. If we will rotate across this country, then we will try, we will minimize, we will not going to stop charcoal production. For people that will know the type of trees where they will use, so that they will be able to rotate and help to reduce the pressure on the forest. And one thing again, we observe in this charcoal are mostly women that are involved in charcoal production. From production, almost 18,000, you pay 2,000 for bag, you count an Afriton, you sell 30,000, 35,000. We don't say they get good turnover. 15,000 for one bag. Well, you see, because the transporter are the middleman, so they're good business. And just as I say, they get high turnover, they're good business. So charcoal get very good business, they get very good turnover. Again, we don't get any specialized warehouse. We don't get warehouse. Like how you get warehouse for packers or them other product them, pass them makeshift warehouse. And the trade, the evidence will see a visible all over throughout the city, then towns and villages. Also we see charcoal, and then all over, you know, and the surrounding regions there. And they line the road them and the city. And we don't see them transporter. Look at that, and I don't know, say now 15,000 for bag. And then the money by the business. And then the money by the business. And you get the dealer there, you get the actor there, you know, by the business. So mostly this charcoal and the transporter by the lorry there, and then pick up and then open van. Mostly then they bring in a free town, you know. So you get particular motor that they will then a charcoal no money in the business, you know. So that's very good business. Then take her to the axis of integration, then be big turn there. So that's all the business they work at. You know, that's all the business they work at. And mostly in an urban area, people then they use that. Then be big turn there. Then village there, then go use wood for cook.
Accommodate kaya 15,000 Afghans for now this single council. Then there's the first one in Accra, Kakao from Mother's Agenda, who each na forest and they say 4,000 for one bag. I bet 3,000 for each bag that's happening.
For bring an Afriton, that don't show the importance. Number two, they tell you about the cost involved in charcoal production and the transportation. So, in terms of marketing, you tell like now, you know, man, you know, I like for cook, I go to market. So, they give you money, go to market, give you money for money. You say, go to market, you go to market. Say, what's kind of fish this buy? But you don't know, say, the market tracker. When you go to eat, you go turn, then you want to say, when this is income, you know, this is so the woman don't make you aware, say, this business here, so they can be difficult. And your energy and your resources they go inside. So now all of them they want to make low get sustainable production. I tell you, thank you, Mrs.
Kosho, then tell you about 100,000 for pay for count the charcoal. I say, no, I say, it's not possible for me to pay 100,000 for this charcoal. I say, if we don't pay the 100,000, we know the pass for the charcoal. As when the driver enter, will be 80,000 for pay for count. Then we come at the last checkpoint and ask, they say I will pay for each bag charcoal 5,000 for count time. I say, well, not possible. As I don't pay a Kosho, as I don't pay for that, as I don't pay again for that pricing, and it's supposed to be 50,000 now give for count. You know, easy now they go with God and listen to us. We not pay anything. We get picking them. When they go school, then they go college. Now through them charcoal and they will live. If we don't live on them charcoal and they will not able to make begin and go before. You see? So now through them thing they go always have the time for me to sustain, for me to begin and sustain the life. life. Then we don't do bad, and say, ah, look that big woman, you know, like. So before I go do anything in there, I say I put it inside charcoal. So I know when they count charcoal, then forest disturbing a road or huge money. And when you come in town, when you don't say now so price, they put price, so you don't. So you don't see.
For let get living, but this is a gradual process. I think say it will reach a time, the big one them, then say go listen, they know say it will reach a time. Government looking say this business here for now all money will use gas. So don't pull this transport permit we put. We put the paper 1,000. Then the one now the one in a bush and they will go for upper. Then after the government self will not strong for bringing and support people them and then sustainable management like for give trees to people them, train people they have for producer. So that's small. We will go along the value chain. Then I believe say the problem will solve.
Yes, what go na bush for money left me, I go na bush. And Mr. said to go chop with it. Why don't chop? I get back on the tip when you do me. Why don't chop with it? I will wash the fire with you. I will wash night now. I call, go in the corner and say, do you get sense? Each train and we get sense, I will suffer. And if you miss a shop, and they come to put them up, they will have to pay them, come, they pack them for me night now. We already go, we pack them. To pack a night now. Now put that glass and wrap a night now. Take that what you confront a night now. So after that, if I'm going to clean, I can choose a night now and put fire. I claim and put fire. I put fire. 2 days after, I really go on the other sleep. As he catch a cover. So after that, every side when the smoke is time for water or water. Every side the smoke is time for water for longer because if you see you breathe. So I was popular for 60 to 3.5 inch Martinez all time for war. So we don't put out no single parents after they come back now. For Papa for Papa for me first because I don't family all time for Papa for no. I'm one for one and for Papa and total for all and started for to easy. All I do not spend. So the focus on the guy because money like around 100,000, not 200,000 not pay for more than after that we drive at 15,000 because I come buy another people for what they do. I buy fear on side them because you see them money, you see them taking money, they want to pay. Even if they come back up, lost from who not going to so come. If you can meet up guys, they don't go for you get money pass you. It can take about 25,000. But you don't pass when you spend part a month. So you pay my buy chop when you pay the them full again. So not to pay the back. But if you can't see your place, you say you must pay the losses. But instead of offloading, you don't get money. Now what's this one?
I want to tell you, this don't show say charcoal business na way of life. And we therefore respect the people there where they do charcoal. Just as I say, with this type of workshop, one day we will graduate to national consultative charcoal workshop. We need people in the Ghana because we are the help society. You come and go burn charcoal, na Kamakwe, you bring an aya. Look the market, look the trade, look all the constraints wey dey talk. So a very important industry, industry wey government for look into and we support, we acknowledge wetin I do. I believe say with time it go change.
Thank you for the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry. Talking the initial presentation, it talked something wey people do the challenges wey say unregulated. That means the laws and all the at least we will able to guide the behavior and the activities of people we get for do charcoal and tree cutting. Then also issue is here by the sister we say they do a business all the way from Kamakwe. That's license. Within the transit, say they pay 4,000 euros per bag. Also.
They say 4,000. They write for the paper.
Okay, yeah, just stop there. So 4,000 euros. So Mr. Rogers, but the presentation earlier, you say according to the Forestry Act of 1960, Okay, 1980. They said 1,000 per bag. So I want to ask here, how comes they talk about unregulated? So we still work on the 1980 Act, 1988 Act. Then how foresters they behave in short manner where they take 4,000 per bag from people where the Act is say 1,000. So I really want for Act, not you only, but also have key personality from the Ministry of Forest and Agriculture to respond to short abnormalities. I'm very sorry to say that because I see that there are some inadequacy.
When you talk, we don't contact key development partners, government they work with FAO, we don't ask European Union, we don't review the Forestry Act, we don't get consultants, the process is ongoing because society they don't change. So some of these things, government they look into and maybe they review the Forestry Act going further so that development then we will change the narrative and the way that you concern. So as I say, we will not deny, we will not dispute, but we don't know that now. Yeah? We get means of communication.
No, Nala is an isolated case. I want to get confirmation 2 or 3 that the receipt date to the effect. Because anybody will travel with Chakon and this country, they get receipt. They get receipt to it in the and the receipt in the bag. And I make I tell you, we don't wait for madam, not on arguments on that land. Not just even when we try later for boots by rights, even when they travel with board, we travel with 1 inch board, now 1,000, 2 inch board, now 2,000 euros. But even the businessman they within themselves, they are not honest. The time not even they said, we're going to reach and say, how many bags of charcoal you arrive with if you reach a particular point? By right for counter. But some man will get 200 bags, they say now 100 I get 75 bags. But they understand the witness on there. But even when we put down 2,000 euros, few years back, I think 2017 or 2016, they challenged that, they said they go for pay that. And they paid that 2,000 euros. Not to talk about somebody going to pass with 400 bags. Or what? I mean 300, 500, I say pay 4,000 euros. You know what I mean? An isolated case. I will bet you and I will say an isolated case. If today that will be uniform all over. If they put a 4,000 load, that charcoal they buy 40,000 loads right now. I bet you say you buy up to 60,000 loads. But we still review because we discourage plenty people. Lord, left hand, that one you get to your perspective. Left hand, until you say 4,000. Okay, well, right now that's an isolated case, so we support that number. Take us, so yeah. Okay. One of the things, the areas where we for use for discourage people, for go directly into the natural forest for produce charcoal. You know why you're for discouraging one? One, not to the seize yourself. Like when you go produce some illegal is you're not supposed to. The payment of transport permits. If you go buy that charcoal, 25,000, they pay me sisters here now. They're expecting for company 5,000, 10,000 per bag. Next time you do have 1 to 10, they discourage you, say that business profit. That's what they did. But because you go buy that, you pay 1,000 euros for it. That means when you go step to that forest, you don't commensurate to the money you pay. We begin by charcoal from 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 35, 45, or still at 1,000 euros. If you check right now, the way they do the charcoal, will tell you now 8 to 8 then they get. In fact, more than 8 to 8 profit. I will bet you on that. But we don't have for anybody say that business. So no change from their old ways they do things. No change from the old ways them.
You dry up. Instead, they use them as charcoal. Yeah. Or the alternative way again, you use them with clay, with water, then you mix them. You dry up. Instead, they give charcoal. Then you get organic rubbish. We all know what's in organic rubbish, yes? Yes, ma'am. All right.
Plastic, paper.
All right. These are like the waste that we get now, leftovers. Yes? The leftovers that you can use them as you dry them instead. Yes? You dry them. When they don't dry, then yes. So when they don't dry, you use the same method. You can use them with cassava flour, or you use them with clay. Yes? Yeah, perfectly. Okay, the coffee beans now the plums. Yes? The coffee plums. Then self you dry them. When you dry them, when you don't dry, you are not waiting the plums now. Then you put fire pan in a cage. Then it give you perfect, it they give you smoke, like charcoal. So instead now another alternative way of using charcoal. Then we get the maize. We all know what's in a maize and corn. Yes? We all know what's in a corn. Yeah? Well, this corn, instead you dry them. You know that corn flour. That maize flour. Yeah, that corn flour. Then when you don't get the corn flour, you can either mix them with this rice flour or even the clay sand with water. Then you mold like this. Yeah, but for that you get the production of this, for you get them in a higher quantity, you need like you can get for come together. Yes, you can get for make like a community. You can get SAGs them, you can get next them for come together so that we can make a value chain. Yes.
Time not reach it for clap, but I really don't present this.
The sugar cane, we didn't cut the sugar cane. We know sugar cane now it gets so many things that we do. Now fire. Yes? So the sugar cane, you didn't let her make it dry inside. You didn't let her let it dry, you use it as fire. Yes? As wood. Then we get the surface method. This one, we call it. Yes, because you know the explanation very well.
No, actually, we don't do the explanation.
When they don't rent the bush, then they cut the trees. But when they cut the trees, then they cut one, they left two, they go to the other one. Then they cut the trees them to a smaller pieces. Yeah, so after when they don't cut it to smaller pieces, then they clear the bush inside they get for burn yes. No, they clear the area. Yes, they just clear the area inside they get for stick them. Yeah, so then they pack the stick them, the small one then and then first they put down, then they put the big one they pattern, but they left big hole around so that where they monitor. Alright. So they bring the leaf them, they begin packing them. Yes. Then they cover the right ground. Then they cover them up with dirty. Yes. So later then they begin go chuka for see if you don't then they watch her first. They watch her, they take bladder. Yeah, for watch. They burn. Beautiful. Yes. They take bladder first for see if they burn from under. So if you see say don't begin the burn, don't begin cover the pattern. So when don't cover the pattern, then you begin watch around the area in any side of the smoke. Alright. So when don't watch inside smoke, you get for the chuk for see if don't they then you begin packing the bag. Yes, the pocket thing. So I think I don't do very well.
Anything where this group we don't discuss, where this woman forgets. Group one. Well, I get a big one back. You don't clap from a big one. Thank you very much to the representative for the presentation on behalf of Group 1. Meanwhile, Group 2, the gap present this now.
Me in Clifford Lamikova and I represent the Group 2. I'm here today for talk about impact deforestation as a representation. As we all can see, the loss of trees and other vegetation. And we talk about say when we lost the thickness in the forest, and it caused so many problems which we call vegetation. Amen. And we also talk about can cause climate change deforestation. The climate change way it cause, we all understand, say, when we go to the forest, we cut all of trees, waiting we for expect rainy season, dry season, everything will change. For example, if we expect rain for start May or June, we find out say inside July we get rain. The sun we expect for them calm, the temperature for calm, and only calm. Which they cause that because of the particular way we cut the forest. So that they call climate change. Then we talk about deforestation, the soil. We lost quality soil. Honestly speaking, that is fact, because when you cut the stick, you find out say the soil and in the hole the stick. So at the end of the day, we cut down that stick, all the fine soil in the gold, they lost all the quality in it. Then he also talk about erosion, that's they wash away all the topsoil, all the things they go, they lost them. All these things they cause by cutting down of waiting, the ticket. Then fever crops, of course, we lost quality plants then. Hello, we lost quality plants then because the type of plants, for example, let's say Regents community will be common. We used to get them fine salad, we used to get them fine beans and other things then. But if you watch now Regents, all the things they don't lost. It's not facing reality. When they put market out for go, buff cuts for go sell, all these quality plants that's what they come out from the Regents, Gloucester, Leicester. What today? Because of deforestation, they lost all the quality crops today. We talk about flooding. We expect it happen in the country. Why? Because of all the things they are so. Because they cut the thing, so they get plenty water when they run, they go in an area and we people they build, where people are not supposed to go, so they get all the things there. So increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. When you look, just like we see the teacher will tell we need something from the plant, from the tick, sorry. And what do we need from the stick? We need oxygen, because if we cut down all the trees, just like we say when we place hots, we climb under the tick, we sit down, we need them, but if we continue to cut all the things and we don't need to get the things that are so again. Loss of soil microorganism, that's a very important one again. You see, we the work for Takogama, chimpanzee sanctuary. And I've been talking to somebody and I just now they tell and say, when we go to the forest, when we see certain things, and when somebody they talk about waiting, they say the forest garden they take pride. The women as a community worker, voluntarily they work with the forest and then up and down. I know they allow them. Because when you damage the community, and also usually that community they so be the protect your community as you know, they will work with the right thing. They talk about lead to this dissatisfaction. That's very important again. We all have to be very careful in life because we do. Then tears away see this, they are all the key. When we lost them, we set water and then we all in the danger position. Then we talk about loss of habitat for wild animals. That's very important. Now if we look for certain animals in the forest, you know they again. I do survey in 2015, animal survey. We look for a particular animal we they call sheep beef. Certain area they deal we feel say the sheep beef for the sheep beef na animal very important in Africa. When they get with family when they come out other countries, they can check at the sanctuary for the animal in the or when we look for set camera, we know they see again. Why? Because the area where they for them it has been deforested. So far so good. This is the thank you very much.
Relax for clap. If charcoal burner exists, that way forestry. If logger exists, that way forestry. So the rate of employment will be very important for we sustaining livelihoods. Thank you.
Amitoka say we as foresters, if you see the forest disappear, open only for we. I will not go to the other happening in tenor. We begin every day for camp. They go down to me. You say when they burn that coal, we don't know the sustainable manner. You begin to for supper tomorrow and they will on the other. Trust. But that's not enough for me. Then, with plenty of organizations and they get resources, they think about things like that. But I believe, say, if they try to replicate another part of the country, they go find. And I make I say, we strongly believe in there as a division or as a ministry. Wherever they want for emulate this particular workshop, we go further onto the last corners of this particular country. For sure, say, this environmental awareness, we disseminate everybody for aware of that pass everybody in a village, they are aware, that mammy in a village. Who will come here for go na Kamakwi, for go Boko, for go Kono, for go Kenema, for go Chokoli, Kambia, Bo, even around this peninsula, people are still even more colder than the eye. It's not good for me. It's not really good for me, community. It's not good for me, environment. Now, one salon we get. Now, we go keep salon or we make salon better. So I tell you, don't ask yourself, what's that you role immediately for push salon go before? Now, look at what's in group 2 don't present. All the impacts today. I think they will currently be seen on a salon. It happen at almost every part. I go left for go again and once more will emphasize that. Say the loss of deforestation, soil erosion, fewer crops, flooding, increased greenhouse gases. But we know increase that is not for telling anybody there. When there is a Kirisha, we know something. In fact, inside you say people like that fire is set. I don't remember country they will not get to. I go to Niger some years back, about 9 years back. I go to Niger. Even inside a bedroom, we tell the other side is like you there so. Even when the place is to pass, they put AC on. Even when it's sun, now net 8 o'clock, they feel like 2 o'clock or 12 o'clock dry season to win and so they journey. In fact, they tell you say they don't timber when they get now then camel and then timber them. No, not be like they continue the day. They suffering go too much. Continue we bless, we get so many riches. Oh, one B will not catch you. What I consider a problem, Pastor, imports on a sustainable basis. Sustainable basis, you use that today, in order, you manage and fine. The generation will come after we then set will continue for user generation after generation. No user unwisely with bad acts. For say, if you don't set not to be business, I don't forget die tomorrow, they can't get to you. God go is self-responsible. You don't get peace now, you where you go. So don't be cautious of it in a day. The problems are plenty. Indigenous people, of course. I mean, trees, oxygen, I don't talk about that just now. We and trees, they will get good relationship. Right now, look at this one that if you tell us, I go to the one and they go say, you are the salmon, I mean, they roll and the trees and they play, they're plenty. Lots of soil microorganisms. Decided they already, because of deforestation, the soil no longer fertile again. The organisms, the way they plant, empty growth of plants there, they twist them, they all not disappear. You see? They say they lead to desertification. That's not the council small. What they tell you, go back and so you watch from Mashaka side, you go. You really see the positive itself, it's a problem. And that's how they invite you. If we don't take the full step for begin plant trees and area there. And we know easily. You will not attempt for go temple on it. But we will go temple on where they go Lydia? We don't have that. In those days, so I don't call it a one go temple run. Not tell her. Somebody will convince me the boss they jam me right now. They say go, but not to temporal my life, for go see don't live there, say go teach me. But you know what they cannot go live there? The man say rich na Agadez, Niger, the second city. They say old man they told one butter water. They say about 5 40 years. When the water don't know, you don't know. That's that. They say they travel for how many days? Water not for drink. Who want to get here for the salon ya? Salon so blessed. There is a travel some place there. Let me na Koran Road. Where are we Makani na ya? Makani. When you just pass Makani, we start the fear station there. In the mid day, we start to get that tune road. But I need to see water. That is the water the pump can. Cool one. You know you reach the party once guy get you to take go below that. You understand? So what's that? Now follow we manager. Other country not getting can bless it the day. Of course, lots of habitat for wildlife. Like what people wanna say. But what man then follow see now. No problem. They don't again. Look at and say first they go set camera trap. Camera trap. We don't travel na ya. We don't tell so today we see as film. Recently I've been in South Africa. I go to one of the biggest park in Africa. They call it Kruger National Park. Now before show is now, they lion there, they elephant. In fact, they do mommy and daddy business before we. They rush they don't see. Now before we they can't hunt. They can't hold them free time with them. Before we they cannot see we. We will back wait for them. So I don't even see her. If you see free time with something, it's all area. The whole community go run out and they go kill them. Lion the whole loss because we said that they live, we don't destroy the environment. But then they bring one in a country. So now we don't get the benefits again. They see one the way they manage, they only disappear by past. Look, could you imagine in Africa we get a kind of forest there. If we want to see other animals and wildlife, as we said, trap and nets, camera trap. What is all you watch? Ordinary screen. So elephants with there, or look at footprints there, they pass there. What are the benefits of that? Tourism, that's not it. Now it's still we talk about. But don't see the in person. People go can say, "Oh, I want to see this." If somebody comes to, I want to see the pets. Karuna Mbotka, like you go na Tabaka, park na always here. Na other day, when it is now due to as a result of our activity, then make that thing they go. So there, this workshop where you go try for make difference. So you gonna use try for make difference. We pray for 4 days from development partners where they go come, where they go support for we establish. Good lots then are coming for the community people there. Wanna take ownership. Then turn also on efficient and cool pots there. How do they produce them cool pots there? The way if you put 1,000 cool there, you go put that. You understand? You do go put it or to the effect or to the extent. Then try for popularize then Africans and other things there. We go better for when we go stay. That way the presenter, the presenter, saying the consultancy, it is travel Senegal. You want big tea. Now last border post. Now Faka in a village. Middle bush. You say one drink tea. The man said, okay, wait, so they set gas before that. It did a saloya. Go now, you put next to yourself and say, wait, I go like the cool pot horse. No, we try for move from that thing now. Salon say, "Bolo advance for salon for global." The only quality we left salon mayana for sabi dress. But have this the whole problem, you understand? Seriously, anyway, not to marry that chair. Sorry. So.
Just a quick one.
No, clap for you.
Yeah.
You don't clap for me for that you. Being a Koroma and that will be built.
Yeah, we will tell you. Because they get extensive research on what people they do in Senegal. You see how the name a customer has hopeful. So with this woman kind knowledge, we will call I will say Kamakwe kill method.
Okay, you don't learn something, you for great changes for them. If you don't create anything, it means you don't learn nothing. For instance, they tell you say this thing they burn you, or it shock you. Then you grab, you touch a one, it don't burn you or it shock you. The only difference you make say you don't learn, now we don't touch again, Or next time you touch out with glove, or you have weight. But if you can continuously they touch out, it burn you or they shock you, it means you don't learn nothing. At times we teach that principle where I can remember something the way they should learn is something he try for pulling and they still continue and they get a little touch out. We see but the next year as you bring her there I say no I didn't touch her. They don't learn something. So now we be like that when we can't learn something when we go back to we homestay we communities let we implement it the way we learn. To be very frank, na poverty no more but charcoal production that we method again as salon they're not good for me. They're not good for the health of the way they place even that but the other cooking woman they cook in the kitchen. You understand? It's now we natural gets that 3 5 or whatever. They're not good for you. The smoke and the heat is not good for you. I know you say like when you woman say that they go they don't near the smoke, the pollution, the risks too much associated with that thing, they're not easy. On to the last point, the consumers thing, they're not really good for that. You're not going to want one. Oh, we will move. We're not going to want one thing. But by God in power, we will reach that stage there. So on behalf of the presenters there, I think it's a new rule London. I get just 2 items. We'll go announce 2 items. Any other contribution will postpone now for next week. We will invite you back by the next workshop. No, not to me. I said to be your role as chair. I don't know why you come. Something by air, you come, or by sea, or by road, I don't know. So now you know why you go for go back. One, the last somebody get short poem we go up for share with you now. Short poem, I think 3 minutes, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, so go down before 3 minutes. Because I tell you make a 1.5 minutes.
I believe say it will really mean something to we all if we listen keenly. He said, "Think, me not think. See we are longer. About a bush. Think bush. About with me company them monkey, elephant. Me best buddy na bush arata. Ha." I get me small brother when I grass. He can sick when he not can see me around them. They can come, they can cut me go. Get me go, they go chop me. Then they turn me to board. He not tap me oh. Hey. Who say you go sorry for me? Now when you go see, they dig hole, they put me inside there. Cover me, light fire upon me. Oh, Papa God. Thick. You know, done, they go tie me in a plastic. Yes, when they go down dig me, they tie me in a plastic. Pull me, come out. Can put me inside cold pot. Ha! Now they back we go see. They light fire upon me. Take pot. Put up and tap me. Thick. So, dear, when I left Mr. Thick, I just suffer. I really the beg make a den around me company na bush thick I like me party there we all can dey inside thick bush. I get this other one last one short one sef I call am born in bush and he sef na Creole. Why? Because we really need for go talk so that we people and everybody go understand. Born in bush. Sometimes the day, it better make breeze blow than sand come out. I can't talk about one man where they maltreat. They go cut him, drag him go. They go dig hole and bury him there. They set fire upon him. Yes, he said my name is Static. You know, tap there. They go dig all back them, pull up, put on them, box up and it not tap there. Now so it can cry. Hey God, then they tell us say, when you come outside, look where you black, like waiting. Like charcoal. This bush here so they complain to me. He say, make them left for quarter. He said, make them left for punish him. He said, make them left for take and own other land. Because he want them with him for pull them. He want send fine breeze to people them. He want the place fine. He want them with all glad. So when we go plant that bush there, we go eat fine. Hey God, Mr. T, when I left for more. Yes, this is the shop so I get home now. Come on, right inside the basket. Now come to the radio. Yes.
Both of that. You side or no?
Of Culture Radio. I want to say plenty thank you to all. We take on time off on our busy schedule. We don't say this time we really for the avoiding kind of here, but because of this situation where we find we find way for coin around them so that we will for exchange ideas. Thank you so much. We don't want to say this just stop now. Now project this way we want for push. The next step where we will take now for do the actual training of the charcoal production from waste to charcoal. We got for do a training side where they really use the sawdust, where they use the grass stem, the nutshell, you know, the rice dust, all that we did on the preparation. We will get that to be done, and then they target the real people them way go there in them, and you know then we do the production, and then we get people that will do the marketing because we want to be self-sufficient. you know, so that una will be engaged, go use them as a means of livelihood. Yeah. So we want to say plenty thank you to all the groups within IASO. So we chairperson, thank you so much, sir. So we facilitator, thank you so much for all the energy you don't put inside this. So now all thank you so much. We're not going for name now all one, but you've done so well. Thank you, thank you, thank you.